Welcome to this tutorial on bit manipulation basics. In computer science, understanding how computers handle data at the lowest level is a superpower. Today, we are going to demystify those zeros and ones. First, let's understand the language of computers. Humans typically use the decimal system, which is base 10, using digits 0 through 9. Computers, however, use binary or base 2. This means they only have 2 digits to work with, 0 and 1. Think of it like a light switch that can only be on or off. For example, the number 5 in decimal is written as 101 in binary. Now let's look at our first operator, the bitwise AND, represented by the ampersand symbol. The rule here is strict. The result is 1 only if both the first bit and the second bit are 1. If either of them is 0, the result is 0. In the example shown, 5 and 3 results in 1 because only the last bit matches in both numbers. Next up is the bitwise OR, represented by the pipe symbol. This operator is more generous. The result is 1 if at least one of the input bits is 1. It only returns 0 if both inputs are 0. So, 5 or 3 gives us 7 because every position has at least one 1 present. This is the exclusive OR or XOR represented by the caret symbol. It checks for difference. The result is 1 if the bits are different. If the bits are the same, either both 0 or both 1, the result is 0. It's like asking, do these match? If no, return 1. If yes, return 0. The bitwise NOT, or complement operator, is represented by the tilde. It's a unary operator, meaning it works on a single number. It simply flips every bit. Every 1 becomes a 0, and every 0 becomes a 1. Note that the actual numeric result depends on how your system handles negative numbers, often using something called 2's complement. Now for shifting bits. The left shift operator, shown as 2 less than signs, moves all bits to the left by a specified number of positions. The empty spaces created on the right are filled with zeros. Mathematically, shifting left by 1 is equivalent to multiplying the number by 2. Conversely, the right shift operator, 2 greater than signs, moves bits to the right. The bits that slide off the end are lost. For positive numbers, this is equivalent to dividing by 2 and dropping the remainder, also known as integer division. You might be wondering, why bother with this? Efficiency is key. Bitwise operations are incredibly fast for the CPU. They also allow for compact data storage, letting you store multiple Boolean flags in a single integer. This is essential in fields like cryptography, data compression, and low-level system programming. Let's recap. AND checks if both are 1, OR checks if either is 1. XOR checks if they are different, NOT flips the bits, and shift operators move bits left or right, effectively multiplying or dividing by 2. Mastering these basics gives you a deeper understanding of how your code actually runs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.